Hey guys, my name's Christina. I do DIY and decor videos on here, so if you like that type of video, please hit subscribe. So today we're going to be updating this bedroom. We're going to be updating or upcycling the lamps, the nightstands, and we're going to be changing out this sad little bedding, and we're going to do some easy DIY wall art. So stay tuned. We're going to start off with the nightstands. So this is an easy change. I bought these in Hobby Lobby. Look at them, they're gorgeous. The back plate is separate from the middle part. And my nightstands have 2 screws, so I will have to be drilling a little hole in the middle, but that's an easy fix, so let's get to it. So the easiest thing for me to do was just measure out where the middle was and just drill the hole there. You do want to stick to something that's about the size of the screw or a little bit bigger actually. So it's really easy. I am thinking about changing out the middle part of this hardware just to create a little bit of a difference between the knob and the back plate. So let me know what you think. I did end up using this little crystal knob. I think it looks gorgeous along with the back plate. And let me know what you think. It is a little bit bigger too, so I thought it went more with the nightstand just because the nightstand is a little chunky. What do you think? Let me know. Okay, so on to our next DIY or upcycle. We're going to be upcycling this IKEA lamp. It's the pink one. I've had it for years, but it's time for a change. So let's go ahead and paint it black. I am using this ultra matte spray paint from Rust-Oleum, and I ended up using about 3 to 4 coats of it, and this is the result. What do you guys think? I think it looks so much better, and it needed a change. Okay guys, so third DIY, it's going to be a very easy wall art. I'm doing 62 by 45 and I'm angling the sides just to put all the frame together. I am using a miter box. It's really easy to use. It has the angles on there. You can use these to hold the wood in place, and it does take a little bit of time, but it is less scary than using a miter saw. So just keep that in mind, and this is actually really cheap. I think this was about 10 bucks or so for the miter box, so it's a really good deal if you have small projects like these. Okay, and to hold the frame together, we're going to be using these L brackets. When you do this, do the inside screws first. I just randomly put them in, but yeah, just start with the middle ones so there's not a big gap in the middle between the wood. And then since there was a little bit of a gap, I did have to fill it in with some wood filler. The stain I'm using is Special Walnut. And this wallpaper I bought in Amazon. It ended up being about $12 because it was on sale, so not a bad deal at all, and it's really easy to install. I did end up using a laser level to put it exactly where I wanted it, and it helped a ton. But if you don't have this, just create your own line on the wall with a level. And once I was setting the wallpaper, I tried matching it with the previous one just so the pattern kind of matched as best it could, so just keep that in mind. And then my husband helped me nail it on the wall, but if you don't want it to be permanent, just use some of these picture hangers on the back and then put it up that way so it's not permanent. Okay, now we're just gonna take a small blade and take all of the excess off. Okay, now on to the nightstands. We are gonna be keeping them really simple. If you have trouble with your fitted sheets, buy these little straps. They sell them at Walmart. They're like $3 and they hold down your fitted sheet so it doesn't keep sliding up. They're the best thing ever. So for the bedding, we're going to be using this off-white comforter. It does have a nice print on it, some birds, some leaves, some branches. It's really, really pretty. And on top of that, we're going to be using a blanket. That's from TJ Maxx. I did end up buying some pillow covers from Amazon. They were like $8, I think, for some dark green ones. They are showing up really dark on camera, but they are a dark green. Alright my loves, so that's all for today. I'll let you see the results now. I did try to stay within a winter theme, so that's why I used a lot of the dark greens in here. I hope you liked this. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you again for staying all the way to the end. I love you, and I'll see you next time.